Hello, good evening everyone. I am Kanika and I will give you some content about Preamble of Indian Constitution. So what is Preamble? It is an introductory statement in a document that explains the document philosophy and objects. In Constitution, it represents the intention of its framers, the history, the behind this creation, and the core values and the principle of the nation. The preamble basically gives the ideas or the objects are source of Indian Constitution, nature of the Indian state, statement of its objective and date of its adoption. कब अडॉप्ट हुआ था, तो ये नेचर क्या है इंडियन के स्टेट का, स्टेटमेंट्स क्या है, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है और सोर्स क्या है, ये सब चीज़ें बताता है हमारा preamble of Indian Constitution. So, what is the history of the preamble of Indian Constitution? History. The ideals behind the preamble of the Indian Constitution were laid down Jawaharlal Nehru's objectives, a resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947. So, moving forward, although not enforceable in court, the preamble states the objectives of the Constitution such as an aid during the interpretations of articles and when language is found ambiguous. What are the components of preamble? It is indicated the preamble is a source of authority of the Constitution which lies with the people of India. Preamble declares India to be sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. इंडिकेट करता है preamble की एक सोर्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जो पीपल के अंडर है इंडिया के, और वो डिक्लेयर करता है सॉवरेन हो, हमारी कंट्री सोशलिस्ट हो, सेकुलर हो, डेमोक्रेटिक हो और रिपब्लिक हो. जो ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टेट करते हैं कि सिक्योर जस्टिस, लिबर्टी, इक्विटी टू ऑल द सिटीजन्स एंड प्रमोट फ्रैटर्निटी टू मेंटेन unity and integrity of the nation. The date mentioned was the preamble that it was adopted in November 26, 1949. What are keywords and how the explanation has been given in the preamble of the keywords given in it? We the people of India. It indicates the ultimate sovereignty of people of India. Then, the sovereignty means the independent authority and the state not being subject to control of any of the other states and external power. Sovereign. It means that India has its own independent authority and it is not a demon on any other external power. It has its own power. In the country, the legislature has the power to make the laws which are subject to the certain limitations. Socialist. The term this is the achievement of socialist ends through the democratic means. It holds a faith in a mixed economy where the both private and public sector coexist side by side. Secular. The term means the religious in India get ritual expect protection from the state. It was in preamble of 42nd Amendment in 1976. Democratic. The term implies the Constitution of India as an established form of constitution which gets the authority that the people expressed in an election. Republic. The term indicates the head of the state is elected by the people in India and the president of India is elected by the head of the state. We understood some of the aspects of the preamble mainly mentioned in it. First, the view to the people of India. वो कहता है कि स्टेट का कंट्रोल होता है एक्सटर्नल पावर पे सॉवरेन दैट ये इंडिपेंडेंट अथॉरिटी है, एंड एक्सटर्नल पावर पे सोशलिस्ट कि वो आसपास की को एग्जिस्ट करता है साइड बाई साइड प्राइवेट और पब्लिक सेक्टर दोनों पे. और एक अमेंडमेंट ये लॉन्च हुआ था 1976 में. सेकुलर रिलीजन्स को सारी रिस्पेक्ट दी जाएगी एंड प्रोटेक्शन दी जाएगी स्टेट को सारे रिलीजन से और हर ट्रेडिशन वगैरह से. डेमोक्रेटिक इन इम्प्लाइज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज एस्टैब्लिश को एक्सप्रेस है और इलेक्शन हेल्ड होंगे आपको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. रिपब्लिक और जो इलेक्शन होएगा वो हेड ऑफ द स्टेट और प्रेसिडेंट होएगा वो हेड ऑफ द स्टेट होएगा. तो ये इंडिकेट करता है इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज सुपर लॉ, सुप्रीम लॉ, हेड like top. It helps maintain an integrity in the society and to promote unity among the citizens, to build a great nation. The main of the Indian Constitution to promote harmony through the nation. The factors which are involved to achieve this perspective are justice, equality, liberty, fraternity. First, what describes the justice? It is necessary to maintain order in society that promise through various provisions of fundamental rights and directive principles of state and policy. Provided by the Constitution of India, there are three elements: social, economic and political justice. Social justice explains the means the Constitution wants to create a society without discrimination on any grounds, caste, creed, gender, religion, etc. Economic state. Justice means no discrimination can be caused by the people on the basis of the wealth, income, economic status. Every person must be paid equally for the equal position and equal opportunities to get the earn and living. Political justice means all the people have an equal and fair right without any discrimination to participate in political opportunities. Equality. There is no section of the society has any privileges and all the people have given equal opportunity for everything without any discriminations. Everyone is equal before the law. Liberty means the freedom of the people to choose their way of life, have political views and behave in the society. Liberty does not mean freedom to do anything. A person can do anything but in the limits set by the law. Obviously, no one can go beyond the limit and beyond the law. Fraternity means feeling of the brotherhood and an emotional attachment with the country with all the people. Fraternity promotes dignity, unity in the nation. Important objectives: it provides a way of life and includes fraternity, liberty and equality as a nation of a happy life and cannot be taken from each other. Liberty cannot be divorced from equality. Equality cannot be divorced from liberty, nor liberty can divorce from fraternity. It is a change connected. Without equality, liberty would produce the supremacy of law all over the many. Equality without liberty would kill individual initiative. Without fraternity, liberty would produce the supremacy of law over the many. Without fraternity, liberty and equality could not become a natural course of things. What was the status of the preamble? In Keshavanand Bharati case, it was the first time 13 bench of judges was assembled. It has a writ petition and finalized the things were the court by. Preamble of the Constitution was a part of the Indian Constitution. The preamble is not the supreme power or source of any restriction or prohibition. It has played an important role in the interpretation of statutes and provisions of the Constitution. So it can be concluded that preamble is the introductory part of the Constitution. That means starting. So coming to an end, that preamble is a part of Indian Constitution and Articles 394 and more articles come into force and adoption of the Constitution on 26 November 1945 and rest of the provision came in 26 January 1950. The concept of liberty, equality, freedom in a preamble was adopted by the French Revolution. This was the main thing I was told you. I hope you got the preamble of the Constitution as it is an important topic and everyone must know about it. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.